you get ready in the dark or something? Cause you look like a beautiful nightmare.
Hello.
Don't you
Hi,
know?
Aman.
Hi, hi, good morning. How are you?
I'm good. I got great. Thank you so much for asking to me. You tell me, what was you?
I'm absolutely great. Thank you for asking.
Wow, that's really great. Okay. So, very, very glad feeling right now. I'm feeling really glad with what you asked about us. So, I can
Don't
say
judge me.
that it's really very,
I just
golden
wish you knew.
time for us and time for, it's really very golden time for
That's
youth
just like
generation. Youth, just because of guys actually today we will talk about really very good topic, and that topic is really amazing, especially for youth. Why we will why I'm saying like this? Just because of when you listen this podcast, and definitely you're really very feeling good, very glad, just because of know that we are discussing that topic. Just because of that, because you can get a lot of knowledge about spirituality, intellectuality, about the physical relations, about the emotions, internal emotions. So definitely you can guess what kind of topic, what kind of topic we will
I think you're
discuss
really cool.
together in front side of you all
Yeah, that's
in
what I said.
21st of century. In the present scenario, we can
But you
say
just keep
that we also
lying.
living in 21st century, but it's very very hard to say that a lot of youth are facing a lot of problems, but they are not comfortable. Actually, they cannot understand what is happening with them, and that's why sometimes they also take a decisions very wrong. So just try to listen this podcast full, and after that, please just try to apply in your life, because when you're just doing with someone at the time, it's really very hard to tell. And yes, okay, Miss, if you interact with someone in the beginning of time, you just keep the relations very very truly, very amazing. You can get really very good relations, and no, you can build your trust forever your life. Why
Wow.
people also thinking, why people also thinking about that only and only marriage is talking on a physical relationship. Why people also thinking of that? Actually, that's why we are discussing with Aman Pandey. Just because of actually he is really very good students, and now he's searching very, he's searching about this studies. So that's why I just selected to Aman Pandey. Maybe that we also can get some points and some knowledge as well. And after that, we also can take a decisions what is the right for us to choose a to choose a partner for proposal, to choose a partner for physical relationship. Why we also thinking only and only boys choose to the girls only and only for physical relationship, or they have really very soul feeling, and they actually want to love with some. What's the reason behind that? So let's get started. But before the starting, I would like to know who is Aman Pandey. Actually, I know very well about him. He is really genius students, and not only genius. Actually, he has really very great knowledge about this. He has he has really very great knowledge about physics, chemistry on the subject. So let's get started. Please, Aman, it's really very humble request to my side. Could you introduce yourself, sir?
Thank you so much, first of all, to give me this beautiful opportunity to elaborate in this kind of the point. And before starting to this our conversation, so hi guys, I'm Aman Pandey, and you can call me handsome, or you can call me smart, you can call me etc. What you would like to, but use the good kind of this word. Okay. And the second thing, I'm from Uttar Pradesh, and I'm pursuing B Pharmacy second year in Uttar Pradesh. And just take, I'm my hobby. I watch to some horror movies, some bioscoping movie, and do the meditation, exercise, yoga on the daily basis. So that's why it's my introduction, and thank you so much. And I feel so much glad right now. I don't know why, because like that some positivity is directly I catch from a Richa ma'am. So thank you so much for giving me this beautiful opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. And once again, you're the most welcome at this platform as Awesome Blossom Solution. So you are aware about this topics, why we are discussing this topic. You are aware that we are discussing about on the video. And if you are not aware, I will I will await you that I am reading. I am recording this video conversation. So Aman Pandey, I want to take permissions from your side. Can I record this video conversation so that I can upload this video conversation on my YouTube platform? By
Of
that
course,
thing,
ma'am.
that's very good. By that things, actually, I want to share all things with my all audience. Actually, they are not able to share. They are not able to share with their emotions, not the feelings, and not actually mindself. They're really very puzzled that it's actually happened only and only with them or with everyone. So, thing is that so I would like to take a permissions from your side that I can record calls, I can record this
I
conversation,
think
sir.
you're really cool.
Of course, man. Sure.
Yeah, that's
Oh,
what I
that's really
said.
great. Thank you so much. So let's get started. Today's
Okay.
topic and today's topic really amazing for everyone. So question is that fear in your life till now.
Means till now, so it's a very difficult to say, to give the response of this your particular question, because still now I have not ever, because I never haven't any make any single relationship with others, because I'm a single right now. I'm still single. Okay. So I never feel any kind of this pretty looks, or who's really wants to, means met me, or how to say, means met me and make the good relationship with me. So I never ever felt this kind of the things. So that's why I have not more much experience. But I, because I have not more much experience personally, but I see someone who is right now time the suffering from this situation. So I just means identify to some kind of this problem to both individual life.
Oh, that's really amazing. So question is that what do you think? What do you think it correct is to propose someone? What do you think? Correct is or correct situations? Situations thing is that suppose I want to ask you like about the age. That what do you think about the age? That 18 of age, it's really good to propose to someone, or like 22, 23. What do you think about the age?
Okay. I got your question. So means it's up to you when you come in a relationship. It's up to you. Do you know, maybe some people is come in a relationship as a earlier time, means when they are crossed the 18 years old and they directly come in the relationship, we can say. Or lots of people is just come in the relationship when they totally build their career. After they will come in a relationship. So both kind, two types of the individual to make a relationship with her. So take the example, the first means who is right now time in a teenage especially. So if you are right now time in teenage, so first of all you have to focus on your career. Okay, what do you want to be in your life? So that's why you have to give your attention, your productivity, your potential at that one particular form, according to me. What I think about that, because I'm also a 19-year-old and I'm also a teenage. So I give my productivity, each single impulses I give on my work, not I waste my each single productivity only on. So that is the main thing. And if you are a totally build your career, so definitely someone is like to you, someone is don't like to you. If you like someone, so please propose to them, and then after we'll make a good conversation with her. That's the same funda to having been. And but some people is because some people in a hurry to make a relationship with others. Take the example, if right now I'm a 25-year-old and I'm doing, because I'm a college student. Take the example, I'm a college student, and I find out to some girl to make a relationship. Okay, find out to the girls means to make a relationship with my work. So it's also good if you want to make your relationship with your work, with your selfish nature, so you can make. But according to me means selfish is a, I think according to the human mentality is a very different, and directly it cross the limitation. I hope you totally understood what I want to say with you.
Yes.
So that's why means limitation, if you cross, so maybe what will happen, you definitely none about that. So
So
please.
what do you want to say? What do you want to say like about the cross of limits? Means like I really appreciate you. Really, I really appreciate you. That I can say that you belong to really very moral family. You have really very great knowledge, great educations, great mindset. I can feel your heart as well. That what do you think about the proposal, and what do you think about the career? So in these situations, that I can like I'm sure that what you want to
Mhm.
say to us, that if you like your age is 19, and right now it's really very necessary for you to keep your attentions on your studies, on your educations, on your career. But suppose tomorrow when you just wake up, I just give you situations. Okay, I just give you situations,
Mhm.
circumstances. You can imaginations. Suppose I just give you situations and you are not able to handle these situations, because when we are really very mad, or you can say became mad because of like about the fears, and I really so much love to that person, I cannot live without that person. And it's happened with you also as well. Right now you're saying
Mhm.
that yeah, of course I want to stuck only and only on your educations. That's really amazing. But what do you think tomorrow when you wake up in the morning and a really very beautiful angel in your life? So what do you think? You just prefer to propose to that girl or not? If according to you that girl is really amazing by heart, by activities, by nature, she has 100% great qualities to choose for a purpose. So you have
Okay,
to wait
okay.
first. You will have to wait first, or you will have to you will have to propose first, because as you said, you as you mentioned that you just focus on the studies. But in these situations, what will you do?
Okay, 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 okay. I think your question is means to surrounded to the main point. That is the main thing. And okay, I think it's absolutely perfect because you ask the a very pretty question according to me. So do you know, if I will wake up in the morning time tomorrow morning. So first of all, if any pretty looks, any angels is in front of me. So first of all, thank God to give me this beautiful girl. First of all, I appreciate any single point the God is gifted to me. That is the main thing. And the second thing, I want to spend some time with her, because it's it's a not matter she looks like, or their heart, their activities, or their vocality totally perfect. But if she able to understand you, which kind of the human you are, so definitely she also spend with you some time, because we have to make a relationship not a more and more time. We have to make a relationship only one time. Take the example, the marriage condition is come to both individual life in a one time, not a two time, not a three times, right? I'm right. Yeah.
Absolutely.
So that is the main thing. If you want to make a long relationship, so first of all spend the time, learn about both self, what that like it and what that don't like it, which kind of food she like to eat it, and which kind of food she don't like to eat it, where she wants to go and where she don't want to go. That is the main thing. If you identify in this kind of.
But situation is that she is perfect for you. According to you, she is perfect by every, like by every symbol, like I can say that she is perfect for you take a good decisions. She is perfect for you to accept your parents. She is perfect for you to wait for you. But in these situations, like what will you do? That you just prefer to propose to that girl. Like if you are aware that that girl is really, really made for you. I cannot wait. I cannot wait without her, and I can't control without her. I can't wait. Like
Mm-hmm. Okay, okay, okay. I got. Means, first of all, I have to keep a patience. Okay, if you see any single piece of cake, okay, if you see any single piece of cake, so someone is directly attracted to them, attract to that object. It's happened to in a babies. Okay, but right now time you are human and you cross the your mentality. Means you cross the mentality means you are above the teenage. So please means if any kind of the angels, if you the God is a gifted to you, so please use a very softening nature, very smoothly, a very good way. First of all, that is the main point. And then second thing I want to say with you, keep a patient. See if she wants to live with you, so definitely she definitely live with you. Okay, nothing, any kind of the obstacles, restriction causes that individual mind bad impact because she's like to you and she wants to spend to more time. So that is the main thing. And if you want to like to say, so definitely she also wants to like to you. Do you know one law of universe? What you get, what you produce. That is the main thing. If you produce the positivity, so the universe definitely will produce you positivity. That is the main thing. If you give the good work, good thing, good activity to her, so her is also, she is a responsibility to give you good kind of the work, good kind of the activity, and good kind of the mental thinking power. That is the main point.
at this correct time, at the current time, according to the situations, according to your age, according to your aim, according to your focus. Because your consistency and your focus, your mental power stuck, like you should be stuck on the education. So in this era, that what will you do? You will have to propose first, or you will have to conversation with her that okay, I really love you. I can't I can't I can't without I can't
Do you know?
wait without.
Okay, okay,
So
okay.
in just try to convey to her, and you will have to say purpose to her, and after that you just say to her, okay, I cannot manage because of actually my intention is definitely I love you, but I cannot love you just because of I want to focus on my studies stuff. I want to focus on my career. So in these situations, what will you do?
Okay. I got. Means each single question you're a very means how to say very touching kind of the situation is a directly make in my mentality pictures, especially make a pictures. And if someone is someone among in this kind of thing, so definitely is someone their mind not doing a perfect work because it's a very typical question according to me. It's a very distinguished to other situation. But if you want to choose both in one.
Miss, finally, we can say that how to deal this situation.
Okay. How to deal this situation? Okay, I got. So deal this situation. So first of all, if you right now time achieved your goal, so focus on that. And if you don't achieve that your goal, so please say to her, please tell to her, sorry, I'm not able to make with you relationship. And if you really wants to love me, so please keep a patience. When will I achieve my each single goal? So definitely I will propose to you, I will marriage to you, etc. kind of thing you can talk to with her. This is the main thing, and this is the situation you can handle it very simply because she wants to love you, so definitely she keep a patience.
Oh,
That's
that's really, yeah, that's really amazing. Miss, you want to say that you will try to convey to her, and definitely, if she is really very understandable, so definitely she will understand you, and she will have to deal with you. Okay. Firstly, we will focus on the studies, and after that, you can propose to her.
right,
But
right.
she wants only and only one thing. She wants only one thing, that Aman, suppose right now you can imaginations. Okay, you can imaginations that only one, that Aman, I'm just saying to you only one thing, that if you love me and I love you, you know very well. But you also can propose to me. At least you also can propose to me. I also can say, this is a promise from your side for me.
Okay. So I want to mention one point also. If someone is alive to you, so every person is known about that because we are a human and we know about that one thing. Roti, kapda, makan. These are the three things people, every single people wants to do their life. Definitely. So it is a main funda we have to apply that time, because if she wants to live with you, she wants to marry with you, she wants to make a good relationship with you, so definitely she totally none about that, she totally aware about that these are the three main ingredients I have to create in my life, then after I will enter this phase. That is the main thing. Okay, so I give my 100% that situation. But do you know, if she really wants to means make me a good relationship, so she, okay, she directly enter. But do you know, one main point also, the youth is not give any single chance by someone. Okay, are you got my point? In this time, the youth is not give any single chance, not forgot to any single chance with girls. Girls give to you any single impulses, any single signals. So youth is directly came across to their limitation and go, oh my god, if you like to me, so please chalo bhag ke शादी करते हैं. That is the main thing. So people is just like to, people is just like to convince you. First of all, people is just like to means make you happy, because if you right now time with me happy, so definitely I will give to my 100% always to you. I protect you, I care to you, I give you food particles, what you want to eat it time to time. Definitely I give every single thing, but I have some limitation, please understood. You know, my fathers, my mothers have some desire. I when I want, I will become in my life, so definitely their feelings are absolutely fulfilled and your feeling is absolutely fulfilled, because then after I definitely will marry you, simply. So please try to understand, and this is the main point. Yeah.
Now I can say exactly what you want to say to us, that you want to say that you do not prefer to propose to her before your career, before your studies. Means you want to say that you also love to that girl, but before before successful of life, self-independence, you do not prefer to propose to her. But yeah, definitely it is a human beings of nature, and you also love to her. So in this situation, you will try to convey to her. This is the things what you're like, whatever you want to say. Am I right, sir?
Right. You are absolutely right. But do you know the both sides? Do you know, maybe one kind of the creation is a create that time, because both is a too enthusiastic to met someone, met together, and means they wants to hug, they wants to means etc kind of the activity. If you give in this kind of the proposal, so definitely the boys is come across the limitation and directly hug to you, and etc kind of the activity they can do.
What do you think about the relationship? What do you think about the relationship? If it like means, I don't know about others, but I want to know about your thinkings, your mental power. That after proposals, after proposals, boys and girls prefer to cross the limitations. And what do you want to say? Cross limitations means, like you want to say the about the physical relationship, and you want to say that whatever you are doing that is really good, or like leaving relationship. What do you want to say? Please just clear to me. Actually, you know that actually I am podcaster. So my
Mm-hmm.
intention is to deepest knowledge to provide the audience. So thing is that
Okay. Mm-hmm.
about the cross limits. What do you
Okay,
think?
cross limit. Mm-hmm.
The proposal, it is very necessary to make a relationship as a physically.
Okay. As a physically, so according to me, it's a very tough. First of all, if you physically cross the limitation, because she is a one kind of this girl, and you know, as every person is none about that. The girls is a heart is a very soft, like that, very softy, like that cotton. So it is a main thing. If you cross the limit, so I think the distinguished situation will directly come to your life. Your career get to lose, your relationship get to lose, people don't like to you. And one thing also, if society always penetrate to you, so definitely you will do suicide. It is a main thing if you cross the limit.
Oh, that's really amazing.
Yeah.
So, what do you think about the relationship? Relationship should be as an influence just because of the outer beauty, or like relationship should be a touch of the heart as a soul.
Okay. So relationship is like that natural phenomena to happen to every single individual life. Right now time we are a human being, so definitely we have a heart, we have a mind, we have a good kind of the nervous system, which is a circulate blood in our internal part of this body, and we are right now time taken air, and because the respiration is going on again and again. So definitely a simple and the same like thing our relationship. If you do you know first ingredient of the relationship, attraction. If you go outside the home and wandering some kind of this specific area, means roaming some kind of the specific area, and if you see any pretty, any looks like a angel or good girl, so definitely your attraction directly at give to at that individual. So it is a main thing. So if your attraction is give, so definitely you want to make a good relationship with her. But people mind is a very alter, because people is directly evaluate your first attraction. I hope you totally understood. If I see to you, so which kind of the relationship I have to make with you, that is the main point. Someone is make the physically, someone is make the intentionally, someone is make the spiritually, someone is make their work selfish nature, you can say. So lots
Yeah.
of 4 or 5 type of the relationship people make with her. So
Oh,
finding out which individual is good to me, yeah, which kind of the individual and who is make me happy to my whole life, to my entire life. So you should to do this work, because she is also wants to make a relationship with others now. So definitely we have to just finding out.
oh wow, that's really great. That's really great. Actually, I want to say to my audience, my biggest fan of everyone, and actually, I want to say to you, Aman,
Okay.
please just try to listen to carefully.
Okay.
That this actually, when we also started a conversation at the time, I don't have moved any kind of thing as a really very biggest conversation, but I am really very glad to listen you. So I can say audience to about Aman Pandey. Actually, thing is that I was taking a test to Aman. I want to know that youths, what they think about the proposals, what they thinks about the relationships, what they think about proposals. So I can say that after listening to Aman Pandey, that if your focus is 100%, if you're really very crazy to love someone, doesn't matter. Matter is that you are how much conscious on your target. Your target should be on the career. Of course, it's really very pretty look that someone is in your life. But if you love to someone by solely, definitely you will have to wait. You will have to wait till then when you will not become a successful in your life. And after that, you can propose to that person's like if you actually really like to that person, definitely after that you can you can propose. But before that, I can say about after listening to Aman Pandey, that we will focus on the career first, and after that, definitely, if someone is waiting for you, if someone is really very exciting to meet you, hug to you, kiss to you, liking to you, doesn't matter. That persons will understand you. just because of that person accept you by the whole, like by the heart, by the soul, not a physically attractions. So we can say we will learn one thing, that love is not a bad thing. Physically relations is not bad thing. Proposal is not bad thing. But yeah, that's really all thing is awesome when you when you will learn how to deal all these situations in this in these situations, when you will attract to someone and you are really very excited to propose to that person, but in these situations you will wait for that person, you will convey to her or him. Sometimes it's happened with the girls also. Girls also want to focus on the career, but just because of proposal, a loving relationship, and they are not able to focus on the career. And after the marriage or after the relationship, sometimes they also taking a bad decisions to making a physically combined. So in this situation, it's really very hard to stop their self. So in these situations, please just focus on the study. So Aman, we learned many good things by you, because you also are a really very, I can say, bright youth, and you also can give a message to every students that first of all you will have to focus on the target. What do you want actually? So you want to ask any questions to me, sir?
Of course, because you are more than elder than me, and you because you like that my mom, like that my sister. Okay, so definitely I have a one question for you, and this question is very interesting. What do you think about the relationship? And because right now time your experience is more much high than me, as you know about that. So what do you think about the relationship? Which kind of the relationship causes the good impact to both individual life, and which is the causes the means how to say the destroy the relationship, destroy the someone heart, destroy the someone feelings. So what do you think about the relationship, not a physically but intellectually, your our souls, our emotionals? Okay, that is the main point.
Definitely, definitely. Thank you so much to ask me these
It's my
questions, because
pleasure, it's my pleasure.
okay. So this question is really very amazing, and definitely I will describe the questions whatever I want, whatever I think about the relationship. Doesn't matter relationships, what kind of relationship you have. Sometimes people combined uh, as a girl or as a boy, and before the marriage and after the marriage doesn't matter. Important thing is your relationship based on the trust. No matter that how much love you to that another person, doesn't matter. Matter is how much trust on another person's. If you are really very trust on anyone, definitely, no matter if you will love to someone in the life to second person, definitely your life partner can say yes, you you can go to propose to another person. And in these situations, why I'm saying to you on the trust, if you just trust to if you just trust your partner, and when will you, like when you will see, when you will say that I want to propose to another girl or another boy, what will you do? So your life partner surely, honestly, and trustly, he and she will say, just go and propose. Don't wait for me. In these situations, what do you think? What do you think? How to deal? Definitely, definitely that person say, no. I'm really so much attracted to another person's, but because of your trust, I cannot leave you. I cannot survive without you. I cannot think without you. I cannot I cannot forward a single step without you. Because like your partner, I cannot find to anyone, because you trust on me, not only 10%, not only 100%. You just trust me by solely. So in this situation, how can I break your trust? No. How can I break your relationship? How can I think to break the relationship? How can I think to propose to anyone? In these situations, if your life partner will be not too much attractive, in these situations, after the marriage, your life partner can be handicapped. In these situations, your life partner maybe cannot give you a child, but because of you really love to that person by soul, and that's why you trust to that person. This is the actually meaning of the relationship.
Wow, wow, wow. I'm totally satisfied. Your each single kind of these words or sentences. I think you elaborate point very deeply. And whenever people is listening this podcast, so they directly enter the deeply situation. I know they totally lose their the potential. They totally lose their the activity when this listen the podcast, because you elaborate point a very softing, a very good way, because each single person is understood properly which kind of the relationship we have to make both individual life together. That is the main point. And the trust is trust is a main ingredient to make any single relationship more much stronger. That is the main
Exactly.
thing. Yeah.
Right. Yeah. So thank you so much. And guys, actually, I would like to announce one thing. If you like to this video, and according to you, these questions really will help you in your life when you will stuck in between love and your career. So you will have to choose first what, so you can get easily by this podcast. If you think this podcast really will help you for your future life, so definitely you can follow to us. And definitely if you want, definitely we will come once again on the second part. So, and now you can guess when we are really very, really tried the first podcast. Really amazing. If you want, definitely I would like to invite to Aman Pandey for the second part of this podcast. So please, those guys, don't forget to comment here to really beautiful comment. What do you think about it? It is really very good for you or not? So definitely, I'm really so much exciting to know on the second podcast. I don't know about you all. Please just try to buy the comment box. So till
Okay,
then,
okay. So I would like to also, bye bye. I would like to add it one thing. Please guys subscribe your channel and like it and share it. Okay. And if you have any single queries in your relationship, so please ask in the description or ask in the comment box very easily. Okay. So definitely the Richa is very able to give the response of your each single particular question, and whatever query you in your relationship, so please ask, and we are like that your friends. Don't say any single kind of the percentage. Okay, any single percentage directly ask, and definitely whenever we read your single kind of this problem, definitely we will give the response. Okay, so like
and,
it, subscribe it, and
and actually, I would like to add one thing, that if Aman Pandey ready to help to us to come out these situations. So definitely, if you want to connect with us on the Zoom application, if you're really very excited to come on the live with us, definitely you can join us on the Zoom application. But I will not send you now. Definitely, I will send you after some time that Zoom application, and you also can meet with me as a really very good student as the Aman Pandey. So till then, bye and have a great good day.
bye.
If you want to meet, so please just ping the message that you want to meet to Aman Pandey and with me. So definitely we will make a podcast online live with Aman on the Zoom applications. Thank you.
Thank you. It's my pleasure. It's my pleasure.
And once again, sir, you're the most welcome that you really give me give us really very precious time to us, because your time is really very important for you, because right now your time is to going on the studies, not with the head. So definitely, thank you so much once again, sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
And bye.
Bye bye.